Yum, I wish y'all could smell it. Hey y'all, hey, we are going to make some baked pork chops. Sheet pan pork chops. Stick with me, this recipe is worth it. Alright, so what you need is pork chops, however many you would like to do. This is just some boneless, skinless pork chops that are pretty thin. A stick of butter melted. The combination of this butter and this blend right here is what makes this so special. It is the best breading ever. But what it is 1 cup of pork rinds crushed. You could use flavors, you could use plain, whatever you want. The other cup is 3/4 a cup Parmesan cheese to 1/4 a cup nutritional yeast. So this combination, you put it all together and then you just want to get it mixed nicely. And then you want to season. This is the seasoning I'm going to use today, garlic seasoning. I'm going to put a little in my butter. And I'm going to put a little over here. Salt and pepper. You always want to season at every step. So I'm also going to season my pork chops here in just 1 second. Seasoning at every step is important, y'all. So season that pork up nicely. I'm just doing salt and pepper. Now I'm going to flip it over and season the other side. Season away. You want to make sure you have every opportunity for flavor. You want to line everything up assembly line style. We've got our pork over here. Get that mixed up a little bit. This step is so important, y'all. Using the butter instead of an egg wash. I don't know what made me think of this, but it works so well and it gives so much moisture. It's just wonderful. Move it over here. Toss it around a couple times. And then we're gonna move it over to our baking pan. And by the way, y'all, I do have my oven preheated at 425. And just repeat this process until you're finished. This is what they look like right before you put them in the oven. And y'all, if you wanted to make this a 1 sheet pan meal, you could totally put veggies in and around here and cook them all at one time. But I'm not gonna do that tonight, but I do that sometimes. And the juices from the pork get intermixed with it. It'd be great with green beans. That would be awesome. There's a thought. All right, I'm gonna show you these when they come out of the oven. So, final product. Yum. Oh, tell me that is not beautiful. Yum, I wish y'all could smell it.